Wake up, Jarvis. Today is new hairline day. I came to see Smile Hair Clinic in Istanbul.
My name is Dr. Ali. I'm your surgeon in charge for today.
Lovely to meet you.
You're 22, so young. What happened?
Oh, genetics. My dad's side of the family have so much hair, my mum's side, not so much.
In man, it's 99% about genetics. It's not your fault.
Yeah. Hair loss affected my confidence massively because every single time before I left the house, I would be trying to sort out the sides to cover the corners that were receding, and it was all that I thought about while I was out the house, to be honest, and I just thought that everybody was looking at it. My operation ran so smoothly. I felt very comfortable, relaxed, and also very welcomed. I was just relaxed. I even fell asleep for a part of it. The research that I did on this clinic, I checked the reviews and I also looked through their Instagram page, and that was appealing enough for me, and I'm very glad that I did find the Instagram page.
I think this can be done.
Lovely.
Okay?
Yes, perfect.
They're offering me to make it high, I'm lowering it. They're offering me to make it higher, I'm lowering it. Just the opposite, they're laughing for that.
Lovely.
I know you are young and you need a lower hairline. It's normal.
Yeah. Everybody loved it. Everybody was just like, wow, Jarv, is it sore? Is it this? And you know, it's not. It really isn't sore. I'm just very happy with it. We also did a live stream while we was in the hotel room last night, and there was just questions rolling, and everybody was saying that it looked great. There was also people on the live that had been to Smile Hair Clinic, and everyone was just saying that it looks like it's healing good. They hope that it heals good, and they're excited to see my journey. I'm not too sure. I have a few different hairstyles in mind, but I do like the thought of like a long hair slick back, like a wet look kind of hair. I would recommend Smile Hair Clinic to anybody and everybody at any time. Last night on the social media live, I was telling absolutely everybody that I couldn't recommend them enough. Follow the true transformation.